Hi, it's Joel from Chapman. These are the star sets. We manufacture star bits, which fit Torx screws. They are our own brand, but they are made to the same specs as Torx bits. The smaller set is our 1068. It only has star bits, sizes S6 through S30, a spinner, and a ratchet. And then the upgrade to that is the 6810 set, which has 2 Phillips, standard Allen hex, 3 slotted, a 1/4 inch socket adapter, and then the same star sizes S6 through S30. Star bits for Torx screws. Torx screws are becoming increasingly common. They're on all the GM vehicles, as well as a vast array of consumer and commercial electronics, equipment, machinery, almost everything now. So these sets are very useful for that.